everybody, it's Cindy from Soul Survivor X2. Faleo Photography asked me to show you my EDC purse and its contents. Okay, I have my makeup bag and some hair gel and some mouthwash. Looking for that gun. I have a mirror to help put my makeup on and some lotion. I know I put my gun in here somewhere. Well, some shampoo, extra pair of shoes, a gun should be easier to get to, but I'm trying to find it. My hair dryer and my flat iron for my hair. The heck? Yeah, I've been looking for those. Didn't know they were in there. And just in case the stuff hits the fan, I have an extra few days of food, some rice. I guess Mike's been putting some stuff in my bag, some drill bits. Yeah, more of Mike's stuff. I don't know what that is. Extra electrical sockets. Hammer. And no wonder my bag's so heavy when Mike puts his stuff in there. All right, finally, here it is. 38. Y'all, I'm just kidding. I do not carry all that stuff every day. In fact, I only carry this teeny tiny, probably the smallest purse you've ever seen. And I actually bought this purse just for my gun. Just for my gun. So that I have it right here accessible at all times. Right by my side. My 38 Airweight Smith & Wesson, still my favorite EDC. Carry it right in here. And that's all I carry in my main compartment of this purse. Now, when I bought this purse, the only other little pocket it's got one little pocket on one side, which I carry a nail file in, and a pen. Very strange little items, but yes, a pen and a nail file. The other side, I carry my little cell phone and my little itty bitty tiny wallet. And I carry this with just my basic, driver's license, concealed weapon card. That's all I carry in here. A few cards, debit card, and lip gloss. That's all I carry in here. Like I said, this is just for my weapon. I absolutely love it. I love my little purse. It's a little Coach leather purse, and I'm sure that I could fire through this if I needed to go in here. Right, guys? Now, and girls, when I say guys, I mean everybody. So, this purse is just for my weapon. Love it. Works great for me. All right, now just to clear the air and clarify something, because I know what y'all are going to say. What happens if your purse gets stolen? Well, just to let y'all know, this is not the only weapon that I carry on my person. So just in case my purse gets stolen, I'm covered in any case. I just don't give away all my secrets. Say bye, Bear. Huh? You're not gonna say bye? Okay. See you later.